We are in March 2020 and the world is ravaged by the coronavirus pandemic. We are locked down at home with no work, no escape. Every day is similar. It is a routine. No one knows when we will be able to leave our homes. I decide to find something to do during this unpredictable time. Through journaling, I reconnect with my passion for writing. It has been many years since I last faced myself and put every feeling on paper. It is hard. It is heavy. But I have to do it. It is my only escape. As I write, I realize that I have to face myself. I have to face my fears. I have to face what my experiences have done to me.
Soon, I'll share my story with you. I believe it could inspire you, but I also believe your story could inspire me. I will share Shaped because our stories matter. Coming soon. Coming on the 16th July 2022.